Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I automate my month's worth of content using ChatGPT and Canva Bulk Create. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so let's say I have an Instagram account about money motivation and I want to post a quote post each day for the next 2 months. So that would make 60 posts. Let's first go to ChatGPT. As you can see, I have it in my bookmarks here. And let's type in money motivation quotes. Write 60 money motivation quotes for Instagram post. And 60 unique quotes about money motivation that you can use for your Instagram account. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time. And as you can see, it also gives you the quotes with emojis and it's really cute. So let's see what we have. Money is not the root of all evil. It's a tool that can help you achieve your dreams. Or we have money can't buy love, but it can buy experiences that create lifelong memories. I agree. And let's see, it just wrote me 30. Sometimes this happens, I don't know why. If this happens to you, if you don't get 60 posts, just type continue and it continues to give you more quotes. Yeah, 53, 54, 56, 58, 59, 60. Yeah, let's see how they came out. Strive for financial freedom, not just temporary wealth. The key to financial abundance is not just earning more, but managing what you have wisely. Yeah, words of wisdom. Okay, once you have your 60 quotes, or how many you want, depends on how long you want to automate your content, go to your Canva account, search for the type of content you want to produce. So I wanted to make Instagram posts, so I will write Instagram post. And I'll just go with a blank canvas. Now, in order to bring all my quotes from ChatGPT to Canva, I have a middle step, which involves Excel. So just create a blank Excel sheet, new blank workbook, okay. Create. Let's see. Okay, and then go to ChatGPT to copy all of your quotes from here. I'm not sure though if the emojis will appear. They might not. So let's paste the first 30. Okay. Yeah, they did appear. Great. And let's go back to get the rest of our quotes. So from 32 until 60. Perfect. Copy. Excel. Paste. All right, awesome. So as you can see, we have all our 60 quotes with our emojis at the end of each of them. And I didn't check really thoroughly, but I can see that they are all different quotes. And the important thing here is that when you're saving your Excel sheet, you want to save it as a CSV file here. CSV UTF-8, comma delimited. This one. So it has to have .csv extension when it's saved. So make sure you save it that way. And let's also name our file Canva Bulk Create Test. And I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Okay. Now we're done with Excel and we can go back to our blank Instagram post canvas. Here, before importing all our quotes, I want to select one quote template that I will be using throughout these 2 months. In order to find the quote post templates, come over here to design on your left hand side and on the search tool, write quote. Here, Canva will give you many pre-designed quote templates and you can try some of them. I think I like this one, but let's go ahead and check also the other ones. For example, this one is nice and it actually fits the niche of the channel about money motivation because it looks more professional, black and white, and there's a pen which reminds me of success. So I think I would like to go ahead and use this one. So I'm just gonna delete this text box over here because it's not necessary. And here I would normally be adding my website, otherwise at Instagram account. So for the purpose of this video, I don't have a money motivation channel, so I'm just gonna leave this as it is. And now it's time to import our quotes. So in order to do this, come over to the panel on your left-hand side and scroll all the way down and go to apps. Here, if you also scroll down again, you will see bulk create and select it. As you can see, Canva also gives you instructions on how to use this feature. But since I already know how to do it, I'm just gonna come over here and click on Upload CSV, which will open an upload menu. And here I need to go on my desktop and select the file that we just created. Once you uploaded your CSV file, come back to the template and select the text box where you want your quotes to be placed. And select these 3 dots and hit Connect Data and select the data. Once you've selected the data, you'll see that the default text existing on the templates is replaced with your first quote. In order to get 59 other quote templates that are filled in with my other quotes, I need to come over on the left-hand side again and click on this Continue button. And then, as you can see, Canva displays all the other quotes that we have just uploaded in our CSV file. And if you click on Generate 59 pages, Canva will automatically bulk create the rest of your quotes for you. And as you can see, you have all of your quotes ready to be posted. Of course, if you don't want to use the same exact design for each template, each quote, you can always change the fonts, change the background colors. As you can see, change the size of the fonts. You can change the position where the text is displayed. You can play around with it. But the amazing thing about this feature is that instead of creating a page for each of these quotes and copying and pasting them separately, Canva just gives you this opportunity to create 60 posts in less than 5 seconds, and it makes content automation a lot more easier than it used to be. So thank you, Canva. All right, so once you're happy with your designs, you're gonna wanna export it and share it on Instagram. So in order to do that, come over here on Share, select Download, make sure to choose PNG as your file type, and I always use the biggest size possible, but if you don't have a pro account, that won't be possible. Hit download, and all your quotes will be saved on your computer, ready to be published. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I tried to show you my favorite Canva feature nowadays, and I hope you find it useful. I use it on a daily basis, so I also recommend you to at least give it a try. You will see it saves you so much time. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.